Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Yes, hey boss, how you guys doing? So guys, today we are not going to be doing too much. I'm just going to go straight ahead and jump into this brushy set unboxing. Okay, I don't remember if I've done something like this on this channel, but I just decided to show you. I got the brushes sets quite some minutes. Okay, I got no time, but I just want to show you the reason why I'm doing this video, because I got a lot of questions which kind of brushes do I use, which kind of brushes do you need to get all your face beats like, you know what I mean. So today I decided just to come up with these unboxing brushes for beginners, and if you're an artist or whatever, I think this is going to also be perfect for you. Without any further ado, if you're interested, want to see the brushes set I got, you know what to do. Just grab yourself together and take a cheap pill, okay, and let's dive into it, period. This is how it looks like. Super beautiful, super beautiful. You know I'm always into beautiful packaging, even when the stuff inside is not so cute, but the outside, yeah, it's from where is it from? Just Up Beauty. Okay, you guys know I have a bunch of brushes from this brand, so I got another one. Is keep your brushes regular, clean it regular. Okay, you guys know all my brushes are always clean, okay, because I gotta take off my skin. My skin means a lot to me, baby girls. Okay, so you need to take care of your brushes regular so that your skin will not be irritating to the brushes. Your skin will not be irritating due to the fact that it's not clean, and also you will have a lot of breakouts if your brush is not regular clean, period. So I hope nice quotes. And I have my scissors just to open it. Okay, so yeah, let's do it, baby girls. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Like seriously, I can't remember the last time I got a brush set that I've not opened it. I always open it. Reason being, I didn't want to use it for any tutorial because I always love to wash them before I use it. Okay, so yeah, let's see what. So as you can see, just going to bring it out like this. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It has this kind of padding on top, protect the brush from not damaging while they are delivering it. Okay, oops, it's falling out, girl, grab yourself together. And we have this kind of their complimentary card, and I believe it's written every details about the brush we have inside. Looks like it's quite a lot. Okay, it's quite, wow guys, it's quite a lot. I don't think I'm going to be showing you everything on this video because it's really a lot. Okay, I'm showing all the brushes that I believe that you need when it comes to full face makeup bits. Okay, the rest, they are not really relevant. So, and at the bottom you also have a padding brush. I'm going to show you. We have and you also have this kind of a brush holder, keeping it in shape. As you can see, we have this one is called definer buffer. This one right here, definer buffer. Okay, 103. This one is going to be good for your foundation or for your contour. All right, so yeah, that is super cute. But final review is going to be coming up after they are really thoroughly pretty washed. So I'm going to come up with a tutorial to see how they feel on my skin. All right, brush I'm going to be bringing out is, I believe it's foundation brush. It's a Kabuki foundation brush. They are super well made. They kind of remind me of Soeva brushes set, and the first brush that I got from this brand, they were not so good quality, so I had to throw them away, but the second one was good, and this is the third brush I'm getting from them. Super good quality, like seriously, trust me. And this one is called Buffer 104. Next one, I like the fact that they have this kind of brush holder. This one is 125 brush. Wow, this is beautiful. This is very beautiful. It's very beautiful, but it takes a lot of foundation because I have quite some brushes that looks like they're really sucking in products a lot. And the next one I'm going to show you is this brush right here, and this one is called Luxury Face Definer 101 Luxury Face Definer. Oh my days, do you check the shape? Do you see the shape? Do you see the shape? Wow, this is going to be perfect for your highlight, but of lately I'm not used to a big brush to apply my highlight because I don't really do that much highlight that I used to do. You know how we do it, baby girl. What's crazy about when it comes to highlight, but you know, the more you get into makeup, the more you know how we do it, baby girl, period. And the next brush that you need inside this brush is this brush right here. This is going to be perfect. It kind of reminds me of Soeva brushes set because this is how they are made, and this one is called 106 powder, you see. So this is going to be perfect for blush, but for face powder I don't know because it's a little bit too fluffy. It doesn't have weight, so I love to use brushes that have kind of it's not too, doesn't have that much weight, so it really fluffy in my blush into my cheeks, baby girl. You know how we do it. Perfect for contour, to cheese on your skin, to cheese on your cheekbone. You know how we do it, baby girl. It's perfect. And this one is called Luxury Sheer Cheek, okay? Luxury Sheer Cheek brush 127. So, and this one right here, it kind of reminds me of Soeva. All the brushes kind of remind me of Soeva, okay? And this one is called 110 face shape brush, okay? Face shape brush. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful. This is going to be perfect to apply your eyeshadow base. Super beautiful and super dense, you know, so it's very strong. Liner brush, we have a round pointed crease brush, and we have a round inner tear dot highlight brush, and we also have a eyeshadow base blender brush, but this one is called Concealer Buffer, okay? Concealer Buffer 142. And this one is also nice to dip in your crease, really get in depth into your crease or under your eye. And this one is very nice to blend out your edges when you apply your eyeshadow, or you can still use it to contour your nose. And this one is perfect. This one is perfect to apply your under eye shade. Why this one is perfect to apply to clean up your eye brow bone cream shade, okay? And yeah, this one is also nice to apply your eyeshadow. It's very nice. And this one is nice to apply your brow products. Yeah, brow products. But this, you see what I mean? This one is called brow liner. So and the next one is perfect for inner tear dot highlight. And this one is perfect for your eyeliner. Super detailed liner. And this one is eyeshadow brush, and this one is called smoke shader. And yeah, this one is also nice to apply your, maybe you want to do a halo eye look. This one is perfect. And this one is called Duty Shader also, and this one is perfect to apply your transition color, okay? And this one is called Soft Crease, Luxury Soft Crease, which is 2-to-1. And yeah guys, seriously guys, when you have this kind of brushes sets, I think your makeup is going to be booming. Do you know how we say? You know how mama taught you? You need to use the right tools when it comes to makeup, okay? That is how your face is going to stand out, okay? Your face don't show up, rather standing out, period. So you can't go wrong. I'm going to leave the link down below, okay? So you can grab if you're interested, if I find any link, okay? Very affordable brushes set, guys. Wow, you don't want to sleep on it, okay? So that's pretty much it for this brushes set. Any further rumbling, thank you so much for watching, and like I said, I hope it's informative and useful as well. And without any further talking, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Take care, love is ciao. And remember, don't F anybody, period.